Every year, 800,000 people in the United States suffer a stroke. It's the leading cause of disability worldwide. It is unlikely that you'll ever die from a stroke, but you could end up being handicapped. News 4 Tucson's Lupita Murillo talked with a Tucson physician who's finding hope for his patients.
Steel, tiles, concrete, all items 62-year-old Andrew Carrick worked with when he ran a $60 million construction company. But in 2010,
having a glass of wine, and next thing I knew, my left leg felt like it was 200 pounds and I couldn't move my arm or my leg.
He was having an ischemic stroke.
A stroke is a clot to the brain, just like a heart attack is a clot to the heart.
Dr. Matea De Leone Stanonik has been his doctor since 2014.
I'm going to test and see how this compares to the last time that we did a neurological exam.
Dr. De Leone is a neurologist with Vida Medical Institute. She just came back from a stroke conference where several clinical trials were discussed about extending the magic time window from when symptoms begin.
They are extending the time window from 4.5 hours to 9 hours to be able to do the IV thrombolysis now, and that will cover most of the wake-up stroke.
When Carrick had his stroke, it affected his left side. He was unable to walk in the beginning. He was in pain and depressed. Dr. De Leone has been helping him manage the pain and depression.
One of the big reasons that helped me pull out of the depression was that somehow I took to art, to sculpture.
He says what started out as therapy has now become a passion.
Really unbelievably therapeutic because it gave me focus, it gave me an outlet, it was a way of expressing myself.
Dr. De Leone continues to find ways to help patients like Andrew Carrick.
There are a lot of ongoing trials, including one that I'm participating in, where we're putting interventionally stem cells in the injured areas of the brain to recover from stroke.
While Carrick still has pain on his left side, he says he's learning to manage it. But he's thankful because he knows there are people out there who are worse off. Lupita Murillo, News 4 Tucson.
Developing